Welcome, in front of me is DELL G15 and in this video I will show you how to toggle function keys mode on this laptop. To do this, first turn on your PC by pressing the power button and then repeatedly start clicking F2 key until you see the BIOS menu in front of you. Once you see the BIOS menu, use the right arrow button to go to Advanced section, then using down and up arrow buttons, select function key behavior. To change the value from multimedia key to function key, press enter and then using top and bottom arrow keys, change the mode of your function keys. To apply changes, press F10 and escape. F10 and enter. And to discard changes, press escape and enter. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.